Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star.
What's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you some super cute and easy spring outfit ideas. Let's get started. For the first outfit, I'm going for a denim on denim look. I'm wearing a jacket that I cropped to myself and it's a really easy DIY. I'm also wearing Veja sneakers and adding a canvas tote bag to finish this look. It's a classic outfit and I think it looks amazing on everybody. Second, I'm wearing this brown halter top with a white sweater sleeve from Simonette. Brown and white looks really good together, so I love wearing this color combo. I'm also wearing my Veja sneakers and pairing it with a green bag for a pop of color. Third, I'm wearing the same brown halter top, but I'm going to change it up for a full brown look. I just love the color brown and it's definitely considered a neutral for me. To finish this look, I'm wearing my Veja sneakers again with my canvas tote bag. I think it's super casual and super cute. Fourth, I'm wearing this white crop top, oversized linen shirt, and pants. I'm pairing it with these black sandals that I absolutely love. You'll see me wear these sandals a lot, just like my tote bag because they just go with everything. This outfit is super chill and that's what I really like about it. It's like effortless, but you're still put together. Fifth, I'm wearing this black crop top, white sweater sleeve, and green bag from earlier. I still have the black linen pants on and the sandals again. It's similar but different from the last fit. I think this is a little bit dressier, but still chill. Sixth, I'm keeping this black and white outfit theme going. I changed out the sandals for sneakers and putting on this white button up. I love the shape of this shirt. It's so flowy and breathable. You can wear it buttoned or unbuttoned. Then to finish this look, I'm going to wear my Jacquemus bag. Surprisingly, this small bag can fit all of my essentials like my lipsticks, my phone, and my wallet. Seventh, I'm wearing this corset kind of top with skinny black jeans. Everything is fitted, so it's super feminine, but I'm gonna wear it with my platform boots so it can be a little bit more interesting. Overall, the whole vibe I'm going for is feminine but edgy. Eighth, I'm gonna keep the same vibe going, so I have these leather looking shorts, this white button up top where I love the tiger, it's so cute, and I'm gonna wear the same knee-high boots. To finish this look, I'm gonna wear my Jacquemus bag across the body. Ninth, I'm wearing this cream colored silk top with the same shorts from earlier. I'm switching out the knee-high boots with my Doc Martens, which I absolutely love. I literally wear them so often and I've had them for over 5 years. If you ever thought about getting these boots, yes, you should definitely get them. They are amazing. I'm also wearing my Pauline Paris bag and that is a staple in my closet as well. 10th, I'm going to switch it up for a spring date kind of look. I have this white Milkmaid top that I'm wearing with fitted straight leg jeans. And I'm gonna finish it with a floral bag and some heels. I think it's a super cute outfit for a date because it's casual, feminine, and still elegant. 11th, I'm wearing this crossbody bodysuit with the same jeans and some black heels. I wore this to brunch recently and got a lot of compliments on it and I just love the way it fits. 12th, this is gonna be more everyday casual. I have these white shorts and beige crop top that I wear as a base to most of my fits. Then I'm going to wear this oversized shirt that I thrifted. I absolutely love this blue color and I think it's so nice for spring. And of course, I'm gonna wear a tote bag and some sneakers. For something like this, you could also tie up the shirt for a different look. It's super easy to do and it makes your shirt versatile for so many occasions. 13th, I'm wearing the same top and shorts, but changing out the overshirt. Instead of blue and beige, my color theme this time is beige and green. I love how easy it is to create new outfits just by changing a few pieces. This is why having basics is so important because it is the base of your outfit and it makes, changing your outfit so much easier. 14th, I have this flowy brown blouse and I'm gonna pair it with some wide brown denim. To finish this look, I'm adding a pop of green with the bag. It's very earthy and I absolutely love it. If you want it to be more chill, you could wear a tote bag instead. 15th, I'm wearing the same top, but pairing it with some linen pants and my black sandals. This is perfect when the weather is too hot because the outfit is very breathable. To finish it, I'm wearing my black tiny shoulder bag. 16th is this white linen shirt and I'm pairing it with the linen pants and my Pauline Paris bag. It feels very airy and it's such a classic look that you can never go wrong with it. Of course, you guys know my sandals. I have to wear it with this one as well. Okay, 17th, keeping the beige theme going, I have this matching set from Lulu's. You can dress it up or down, but I'm gonna wear it like I'm going to dinner. The thing I really like about this set is that it is going to be timeless. I can wear it and it's not like one of those trendy items that you wear once and throw it out. 18th is something more casual with a beige crop top, baggy jeans, and a plaid oversized shirt. 19th is my favorite blue Milkmaid top, and I'm going to pair it with the same white baggy denim and sneakers to make it more casual. Of course, I'm wearing a tote bag again. It's a staple in my closet and I literally wear it every day. You guys can probably tell with all the outfits, but you can basically bury me with it. I'm going to link all of these outfits in the description box below, and if you want to see more outfit inspirations, I curated some stuff on my blog and I post daily on my Instagram if you want to follow me on there at HangTW. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye!